everyone. In this video, I will tell you how can we extract unique items out of Python's list. So I am on my VS Code and here I have already taken a list named numbers which is holding few numbers and few of these are duplicates. So how can we extract the unique ones? Okay, so the trick here is we need to convert this list into a set because set always holds unique items, and then we will convert the set back to our list. So let's have a look how can we do that. So I'm saying numbers and then I'm saying convert the list of numbers into a set, and then we will call list again. So now we are converting this output to the list, and then we are saying print numbers. So you can see that at the bottom we got the unique list again as an output. So I hope you enjoyed this short trick and thanks for watching.